Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to start an Excel course from beginner to intermediate. If you are an Excel learner and you don't have any idea about Excel, I am here to introduce you Excel to do your works professionally. Just before we start, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's start. First, to open Excel, just from search bar, search for Excel. Type Excel. Here we have Excel. Just click it. That's the previous works, you see. Or if you want to create a new blank workbook, you can just create. Click this one. Excel appears like this. Now let us introduce you what is a cell, what is a column, what is a row. That is a cell, you see. This is a column. If you want to select column E, just click here. Directly you select entire column E. This is row. If you want to select row 3, this one, directly select entire row 3. If you select a cell here, in the box name, it shows you that it is column D and row 6. If I click here, it changes to column B and row 3. If you want to select entire window, just click this triangle. Directly it selected all the cells and rows. Here, if you want to write from left to right, you see A, B, C, D. But for example, you want to write Kurdish or Arabic language, which start from right to left, just from page layout. Here we have sheet right to left. You see? ABC comes to here and numbers comes to here. Now let us change back to left to right. If you want to save this workbook, for example, you want to save just from file, let us write something to recognize it after opening again. Just name, ID, X1, X2, Y, lookup. For example, okay. Now I want to save this Excel sheet or workbook. File, save as. For example, I save it from desktop. You can click here, bring any location. I save it in desktop. I name it lesson 1. Sorry. Just save. Now I close this one. I come back to desktop. You see my workbook, save it here and the name lesson 1. Just double click on it. It opens again. Okay, you recognize your workbook. Here I have sheet 1. You see sheet 1. If I want to add another sheet, just click this plus sign, sheet 2. If I want to change, for example, I click this one, double click on it, table. Second sheet to be activated. If you want to change name, we have another way. Just right click, rename. Okay, tasks, for example. If you want to delete this sheet, just right click and delete. Okay. For example, I want to add a column. I want to add a column between I and H. Select I, right click, insert. You see, directly a column added between I and H. You see it changes, the I change it to J and another column inserted here. For example, I want to add another column, another row, sorry. Just select this one and write insert. You see, a row inserted above the title we have. Okay, now for example, I want to change the width of this cell. Just select all and here you can move it. All this row, the head is changed. If you want to change the width of the column, select it, the column you want to change there with this, just move it directly. The width is changed. Okay, if you want to make it as default, just Ctrl Z. Now the cell size remains as it is. Okay, let's create a table. For example, I have these titles, select it, and I want my column includes 4 rows. Okay, then right click, format cells. Here we have border. Select the type of cell, the type of the line. For example, I select this one. If you want to include only the inner line, let's check. You see the table border has no line. I select it again, right click, format cells. If you want to add outlines, just click this one. Okay, now the table has the border line. Okay, if you want to add a color to the titles, right click, format cell. Here we have fill color. For example, I add this color. Okay, now if you want to bring the text to the center from this one and this one, the text comes to the center. If you want to change the fill color, select it. Here also from home, font, here we have fill. You can change it from here. Okay. Now, if I want to move this column, this table, select the table, then come to border. You see that the cursor change it for direction arrow. Now you can move it. For example, I put the table here. For example, I want to change the width of this row. Okay. For example, I insert my name, Rashad. If I want to add another line, just Alt and Enter, Muhammad. Insert. You see, the another line is added. Let us change the width. Okay, select this one and bring it to here. Good. If you want another name here, for example, okay, if you want to fit with the text, just move it here and bring it to center. Select this one, bring it to center. If let make this width. If I want to bring this text to center, select it and bring it to center. For this one also, you can select this entire column, then bring it to center, and also this one. Good. For this lesson is enough. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice time.